Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. I am Saifullah Al Muntasir, lecturer, Department of ICT. Today, we'll discuss about conversion, hexadecimal to binary and hexadecimal to octal. Hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary and hexadecimal to octal. We can convert hexadecimal to binary directly, but we can't convert hexadecimal to octal directly. If we want to convert hexadecimal to octal, at first you have to convert hexadecimal to binary, then binary to octal. We know there are 16 digits for hexadecimal and for binary 2 and for octal 8 digit. And what is the relation between hexadecimal to binary? 2 to the power 4. And what is the relation between binary to octal? 2 to the power 3. So, if you want to convert hexadecimal to binary, we use 4 bit, and binary to octal we use 3 bit. Now we know the 16 digit hexadecimal is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. An equivalent binary is hexadecimal binary we use 4. 4 means 1, 2, 4, 8. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. So, if we use this format 1, 2, 4, 8, this is binary and this is hexadecimal. 0, nothing, 0. 1, if we want to make 1, we use only 1 and others we put only 0. For 2, we use 2 and others will be 0. For 3, 2 and 1 make 3, so other will be 0. For 4, we use 4, another put 0. For 5, 4 and 1 make 5, 4 and 1 make 5, and other will be 0. 6, 4 and 2 6, 4, 5 6, 0. 7, 4, 5 6 7, 4 and 2 and 1 make 7, 0. 8, 8, 0, 0, 0. 9, 8 and 1 make 9, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. For A means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. A 10, 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10. And 11, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 0. And this is 1, 1, 0, 1. This is 1, 1, 1, 0. And this is 1, 1, 1, 1. 15. 15 means 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, question number 1, 3E.2C. This is hexadecimal, and what will be binary. So we know every hexadecimal need 4 digit. Every hexadecimal need 4 digit. So 3, which one is 3? 3 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. E means 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0, and radix point 2 means 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. This is 2, and this is C means 12 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. This is binary. So the answer is 3E dot point to C hexadecimal. The result will be, you can write 0 or you can remove 0, no problem. So 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 5 1 1 0 point 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. This is binary. So you can easily write hexadecimal to binary, hexadecimal to binary. Now we'll discuss binary to octal. If you want to make binary to octal, you will have to use 3 bit. So if you want to convert hexadecimal binary to octal, use 3 bit. This is hexadecimal, and this is binary, and binary to octal, and binary to octal. If you want to make hexadecimal to octal means 8, base 8, base 2, base 16. So this is hexadecimal, this is octal. Hexadecimal to octal. If you want to convert hexadecimal to octal, at first you have to convert hexadecimal to binary. This is already done. Hexadecimal to binary, and hexadecimal, and this binary will have to convert octal. This binary to octal. Binary to octal, we make 3 digit. 3 digit means 3 bit. 3 bit and 3 bit make a group. 3 bit make a group, and this group will come from the radix point. This is 3, this is 3 group, and this is, you can write 0. Also radix point to left and radix point to right, we'll have to make 3, every group 3 bit. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 0 0 0 0 1 2, because 3 bit, 1 2 4 0 0 0 0 0 0, nothing, 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 4 1 1 1 4 5 6 7, this is 7 1 1, this is 0, this is 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 means 7 7 1 1 0 1 1 0. That means we need 4 2, and this is 0, nothing. 4 and 2 make 6. This is 6. This is point. 0 0 1 0 0 1 This is 0, 40, 20, 11. This is 1. 1. 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. That means this is 4 is 0. 2, 1, and this is 1. 1 means it's make 2 and 3. 2 and 1, 3. Make 3. 3. 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. This is 3. 0, 0, 0, nothing. 0. 0. So we can write easily 0, 76.130. This is octal. Hexadecimal to binary and hexadecimal to octal you can write easily. So my dear student, I think you can understand. Thank you.